Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Cos A by cos B as well as the sin A by sin B values are given. Then we have to find m square minus n square into sin square B. Okay, m square minus n square into sin square B. So in the statement m value, what is given? Sin A by sin B. Okay, m value. M square is sin square A by sin square B minus n square value cos square A by cos square B into sin square B. It will going to be. So let us do LCM. What is the LCM? Sin square B into cos square B. So after LCM, it will be sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B into sin square B. One sin square B get cancelled. Now it will going to be sin A cos B whole square. This is sin A cos B whole square minus cos A sin B whole square. Cos A sin B whole square upon cos square B. Okay, it will going to be. So by using A square minus B square formula, A minus B into A plus B. So sin A cos B, let us take small a. Cos A sin B is B. So we should applying A square minus B square, A minus B into A plus B. So A minus B into A plus B. Okay, now explain. Okay, we have got this value. So we should applying A square minus B square formula. A minus B into A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. A minus B into A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos square B. It will going to be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We have sin A minus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin A plus B by cos square B. Okay. Okay, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B, we have formula cos square B minus cos square A. So by cos square B, so divided by cos square B. We have sin A plus B into sin A minus B formula cos square B minus cos square A. So what is the denominator? Cos square B. So cos square B by cos square B minus cos square A by cos square B. One cos square B cancel, one minus cos A by sin B. This value given n square. Since n is equal to cos A by cos B. Okay, what is the answer? 1 minus n square. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Sin x cos y value given 1 by 4. 3 tan x is equal to 4 tan y. Then we have to find sin of x minus y. Okay. So sin x cos y value given. So one more condition is also given. 3 tan x is equal to 4 tan y. So 3 into, we have tan x formula sin by cos. Sin x by cos x equal to 4 times of tan y. It will be sin y by cos y. Okay, let us do cross product. 3 sin x cos y equal to 4 cos x sin y. Okay, but in the statement sin x cos y value given 1 by 4. So 3 times of sin x cos y. This value given. What is given? 1 by 4 equal to 4 cos xy, 4 cos x into sin y. So therefore cos x sin y, it will be divide 4 on both sides. 3 by 16 equal to cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin y. But our target is Sine of x minus y. So sine of x minus y formula sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So sin x cos y value from statement, this value 1 by 4 given. Cos x sin y, it will going to be 3 by 16. Cos x sin y value, we have got 3 by 16. So let us do LCM 16. Okay, 4 again. 4 minus 3. So answer is 1 by 16. Let us go to the next problem. Cot A, cot B value given 2 as well as cos A plus B 3 by 5. Then we have to find sin A, sin B. Okay. So cot A into cot B equal to 2. We have cot A formula cos A by sin A into cot B. This formula is cos B by sin B equal to 2. So let us do cross product. Cos A cos B equal to 2 times of sin A sin B. 2 times of sin A sin B. So one more condition is also given, cos A plus B. So cos A plus B equal to 3 by 5. We have cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It will going to be 3 by 5. So cos A cos B value, we have got 2 sin A sin B. Cos A cos B value 2 sin A sin B, right? So 2 sin A sin B minus sin A sin B equal to 3 by 5. Okay, it will going to be, so 2 sin A sin B minus sin A sin B, it will be 1 sin A sin B equal to 3 by 5. So what is answer? 3 by 5. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of sigma sin A plus B into sin A minus B by cos square A into cos square B. Okay. So summation sin A plus B into sin A minus B. We have cos square B minus cos square A. So sin A plus B into sin A minus B. One formula cos square B minus cos square A or sin square A minus sin square B. Okay. In denominator cosine functions are there. Okay, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is applying this formula cos square B minus cos square A. By denominator cos square A into cos square B. Okay, it will going to be summation. So this is nothing but cos square B by cos square A into cos square B. Cos square B by cos square A into cos square B minus cos square A by right denominator. Cos square A upon cos square A into cos square B. It will going to be 1 cos square A as well as cos square B get cancelled. Summation 1 by cos square A is nothing but secant square A. 1 by cos square B. This is nothing but secant square B. Okay, summation of secant square A minus secant square B. This is nothing but secant square A minus secant square B plus. So AB combination, next BC combination, right? Secant square B minus secant square C plus secant square C minus secant square A. So one secant square A get cancelled. Secant square B as well as secant square C get cancelled. So answer will be 0. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of summation sin A minus B by cos A cos B. Okay, summation. We have sin A minus B formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So what is the denominator value? Cos A cos B. Divide each term cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. Now I say that one cos B get cancelled as well as cos A. Summation sin A by cos A, it will be tan A. Sin B by cos B, tan B. So summation tan A minus tan B. Okay, this is nothing but tan A minus tan B plus tan B minus tan C plus, so AB, A minus B, tan A minus tan B plus tan B minus tan C plus tan C minus tan A. So all terms are get cancelled, tan A get cancelled, tan B, tan C get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So what is given? Cos x minus y plus cos y minus z plus cos z minus x equal to minus 3 by 2 given. Then we have to find cos x plus cos y plus cos z. Okay. So let us take x minus y, y minus z, z minus x equal to 120. So why? Because so cos 120 plus cos 120 plus cos 120, it will be minus 3 by 2. So cos 120 value minus 1 by 2, cos 120 value minus 1 by 2, cos 120 value minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, it will be minus 3 by 2 verified. So given condition is verified. So let x minus y equal to 120, y minus z equal to 120, z minus x equal to 120, then cos x minus y plus cos y minus z cos z minus x equal to, so cos 120 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, it will be minus 3 by 2. So condition verified. Okay. Therefore x minus y equal to 120. X minus y equal to 120. Therefore x is equal to this minus y, bring the right side, 120 plus y. So let us take z minus x is equal to 120. Okay. Z is equal to, it will going to be 120 plus x. 120 plus x. Minus x, bring the right side. So let us take, okay, what is the required? Cos x plus cos y plus cos z. It will going to be cos x plus cos y. From this equation y value from this equation y value, x minus 120. X minus 120 cos y x minus 120 plus cos z value 120 plus x. Okay, we have got cos x plus cos x minus 120 plus x, cos 120 plus x. So cos x, we have cos a minus b formula, cos a cos b, cos x cos 120 plus sin x sin 120 plus, so by using cos a plus b formula, cos a cos b, cos x cos 120 minus sin x sin 120. Sin x sin 120 get cancelled. Cos x plus cos x cos 120 plus cos x cos 120, it will be 2 cos x cos 120. So cos x plus 2 cos x into cos 120 value, we have minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 value, cos, it can be written as 90 plus 30. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. So minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 value minus 1 by 2. Okay, these two get cancelled. Cos x plus into minus minus cos x get cancelled. Answer will be 0. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming.